Snoring is not just annoying for your partner, it's your body's alarm siren saying, "Help, I am struggling to breathe." Disturbed sleep, heavy snoring, gasping, these are all signs of poor breathing patterns and reduced oxygen flow at night. If your breathing is not smooth and silent at night, your body cannot heal properly. Tomorrow morning, we are going to check for the hidden signs using a simple wake up test. Stay tuned. Here is a simple breath check to do tomorrow morning. Wake up and notice, is your mouth dry, heavy head, tension in your neck or shoulders? If yes, your night breathing needs urgent repair. Poor overnight breath habits slowly build chronic stress, fatigue, and health issues over time. In the next reel, I will give you a simple 2-minute reset that you can start immediately. Thank you.